Alright, so the second part of this video is just me telling you about some of the things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree this week. Now, I done got all these. I'm talking about I done got the little swirly thing. I done got the straight one. Honey. No, they don't. They got the bang now. Look, the little clip-on bang. Y'all see that? A little clip-on bang. Wow. Let's see how this thing, let me see how this gonna go. Because I bought a clip-on bang before, and I paid a lot of money for it at the beauty supply for a little piece of hair. I guess because it's on clips or whatever, it's supposed to be more. I don't know what. But the little clip-on bangs, they be a lot of money. Let's see how this one gonna go. Okay. Alright. Let me see. I don't know, y'all. It look kind of cute. Let me see. It look kind of cute, I guess. If this your color, I can see it. If you tweak it a little bit, at least the bang cut right. The bang is cut right. And it got the little taper on the side. Y'all see that? It's kind of cute, actually, for $1. I think I'm going to do a whole head. I could put this on my head now, actually. It's cute. Y'all see that? But a whole clip-on bang. Look how the clips look. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see how the clip look. Okay, it's 3 clips. One right here. And they the open and snap clips. Y'all see that? 3 clips. So this actually could work, to be honest. It's a little shiny. But you know, you put a little bit of dry shampoo on it, and it'll take the little shine right off, so it won't. That'd be the first thing how you know it's synthetic hair, because it'd be the little shiny stuff. But you get you some dry shampoo and you spray it on here, and it'll take the shine off. But I think it'll work, to be honest. Okay. That was the first thing I found that was new. Now, I put on masks when I do my mask tutorial, so I found this dual-ended mask tool. It says it helps you put on the mask easier and take it off. So when I seen these, this is new at the Dollar Tree, a dual-ended mask tool. So you always need something to put the mask on and take it off. Well, you need one. You need one to put it on and one to take it off. But it says that it puts it on and take it off. So if you see this at the Dollar Tree, make sure you grab these. These are Yes 2 double-ended mask tool. Now I hauled these in my previous video. I don't know where the other ones at. I can't find them, but I grabbed the 3 that I seen. These are these, what is it? A turban hair wrap. You see that? A turban hair wrap. They cute. This is the prettiest color. Y'all see that? That's a cute color. I got it in yellow, and I got it in black. So one day that you put your hair up, and you ain't in the mood, a turban hair wrap. That's cute for $1. That is too cute at the Dollar Tree. Now, I like pens. Color pens. When I'm writing stuff, I change up, like the important stuff I might put in a different color so it can stand out. So I found these pens. They got them in pink, pink, purple, and green. So just some color pens, and they just look nice. I'm gonna see how they write. I don't know how they write. Alright, I found another headband. I don't know, y'all said how many headbands this girl gonna buy a day. But I found some more headbands. That's cute. I don't have it in like a little, what is this, zebra? Not zebra. What is this, cheetah print? That's cute. A little cheetah print headband. That's cute. All right, I seen somebody haul this Brush Buddies Herbal toothpaste. Let me see what flavor this is. It helps whiten teeth, and it's in Cool Mint. Now, I bought some charcoal toothpaste from Crest. I didn't really like it, to be honest, so I didn't even really continue to use it. So I'm gonna try the herbal toothpaste thing again. Let's see how the tubing look. Okay, let me see if it's really dark. Oh, you can't even see if it's dark. It looks really black. You see that? It looks like some really black toothpaste. So this is the herbal toothpaste infused with activated charcoal. I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna let y'all know. This is blacker than the Crest one. The Crest one wasn't even that dark, actually, to be honest. So I'm gonna see how that go. Ooh, it smells minty. It smells minty too. All right, so I'm gonna see how that go. I got this calming metallic wash off mask. It has dead sea salts and minerals. It's infused with baking soda and diamonds. Who don't want to put diamonds on their face? Diamonds, baking soda. It's a 15-minute facial therapy for all skin types. Let me see. Okay. It's a little watery. I don't know, it's a little watery. That's how it look though. That's how it look. It's just, I don't know how it could be a mask, but I can see the little bits of diamonds in it. You can't really see it with the camera, but it do have little bits of diamonds in it. Okay. It ain't got no smell to it, but it's okay. It's okay. I guess you'll have to put it on your face to really get the whole benefits of it, because you got to keep it on for 15 minutes. So that's new. This face mask. All right, since we're on face masks, we're gonna talk about this. So a couple of new, actually, these are hair masks. So this is these are new by Yes too. It's a clarifying and refreshing dry shampoo wipe. So if you don't have time to shampoo your hair, you can use the wipes and pretty much wipe them through your hair to get a clean, fresh feel. Your hair ain't gonna be clean, but it's gonna feel clean after you wipe it with these. Okay, so a dry shampoo wipe. I got that one is in charcoal. Let me see. Yep, that one's in charcoal. This one is vitamin C. Oh, this one is grapefruit. So that one was charcoal. This one is grapefruit. And then I got this hair mask, smoothing hair mask. So you put it on. It got super blueberries, Greek yogurt, probiotics in it. You open the pouch, you put it on, you let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you rinse it out your hair, and then you shampoo. So a hair clay mask. That seems interesting. So those are the masks I got. I also got this hydrogel lip mask. It's 4 of them in there. I'll let y'all see it when I put on my mask. I'm going to use these. Let me see. It's for an anti-aging. It fine lines and wrinkles by firming and toning the skin. So these are for your lips. A gold lip mask. That's cute. I mean, I don't know if it works or not, but we'll see. I found these gemstones. Now on the picture, they got it where you could put it on some kind of like ceramic or something. If you find these, you could put them on ceramic. So I thought about getting some mugs and putting these on them and giving them out for Christmas. So these are cute. Jewel tone butterflies. Those are cute. Do it yourself masks. Mugs. So you find either a black one or a white one. I was gonna look for some black ones or either some pink ones and put these on there for gifts. I couldn't believe when I found these again. I mean, I thought it was over with, but honey, no, they don't got some more of these lashes in. They just changed the packaging on them. Y'all see that? This one is the Dramatic Wispy Spiky. They all still got the same name, but just a different packaging, I guess, for the holiday. So I did a tutorial on putting these lashes on. So look at my playlist and find that tutorial. I did a tutorial on these lashes. And make sure y'all watch that video. But they got them back in stock. That's the long wispy. This is the Natural Doll Volume. Those are nice. This is the Natural Doll Volume again. So both of these are the same ones. I got 2 packs of those. I got the Wispy Cat Eye. Those are nice. The Natural Dial Medium. And again, if y'all find these, because the lady behind me, she had the rest of them. I had the first ones that was left. I did leave her some, and she grabbed the rest of them. So at that store, they ain't have no more unless they stocked up. And the manager that was checking me out, she said she had some in the back. So good luck on finding these. They going quick. But these are the mink lashes, Natural Dial Medium. These are the best ones I ever found at the Dollar Tree, to be honest. These are the Wispy Doll Dramatic. Those are nice. The Wispy Doll Crisscross. And the Natural Doll Light. Again, I love these lashes. I cut them up and I apply them, and that's how I wear those lashes. I cut cut them up in pieces and I apply them that way. I cut them up in pieces and I apply them that way. All right, I found these stencil sheets. Now, in my mind, I ain't never seen no stencil sheets, first of all, at the Dollar Tree. But they had them in this. This is like a little flower or a little dove. That's like a little dove. And then they had one with all the different stars. And then they had one like with all the different hearts. Now, if you have like some plain sweatshirts or something and you got some metallic spray paint, fabric paint, metallic to come like a little spray bottle, you can actually lay these stencils on the shirt and spray it, move it, spray it, move it, and spray it, and then you will have a cute little shirt. So I was thinking of finding some sweatshirts, maybe for the little kids in my family, and spray paint them a sweatshirt with these on there. And maybe after I spray paint them, I'll put a couple of rhinestones on it or bedazzle it a little bit. And that's what I was going to give them with some gifts, because I always get them like the same old gifts. So this year I want to be a little bit creative. So I was going to use these on sweatshirts that I find. And maybe, like I said, bedazzle them for the girls in the in my family. All right. So if you find them, pick them up. Now, I do nail art. I found this embossing stylus. Now, with nail art, to make those little dots on your nails, you need this. You dip it in a little acrylic paint and you just dot, 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 dot. That's how you make them dots with this tool. So I found one for $1. I've never seen it at the Dollar Tree, so I purchased that. Okay, now, I love panko crispy breadcrumbs. I've never seen them at the Dollar Tree. And it's the lemon pepper ones. What? The lemon pepper ones? Are y'all serious? OMG, not the lemon pepper ones. Wow. So I can't wait to put this on some fish. I don't really like, I mean, lemon pepper chicken is okay too, but I'm gonna try it on some fish first. Maybe some tilapia, some catfish, some kind of fish that I got in this refrigerator. I'm gonna be breading up with this panko bread, and it's a full box of it. Y'all see that? This tastes so good. Let me see the date on the tag. I was so excited. I didn't even see the date. Oh, y'all, the date say November 2019. So I'm gonna have to, well, it should still be okay in December. I mean, the breadcrumbs ain't really going bad until it's like months later. Like November 2020, and I still got this box. I'm in trouble. But November 2019, I'm okay. So breadcrumbs, I'm gonna cook something with that, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. All right, that was the last item I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, they got some more lashes, y'all. Look, they got some more lashes. Oh, I don't know what. I think I'm gonna get these. Those is cute. They just in a different packaging. Them is long. Oh, them is long. Oh. That is cute. That is cute. See, did I get them all? I'm missing 2. This one. This one. You're welcome. This one. This one. This one. I don't think I grabbed this one. This one. And then I don't think I grabbed this one right here. Yeah. We're almost done. We're going fast. I never seen these. What is this? Smoothing hair clay mask. That's new. I got some more stuff up here. Yes, 2 grapefruit. Dry shampoo wipes. I'm gonna try that. I don't really see anything different. Same old, same old. No, nothing different. OMG, y'all, look. This is my favorite water in the Dollar Tree. Lemon. This is the only can I really like. Y'all see this? And they got a lot of them. What? 6 things of water for $1. OMG, I can't believe it's gonna grab all of them. They only got lemon. Somebody didn't like lemon, I guess. Wow. I'm about to grab all of them. I like this lip scrub. They got it in a cool mint. I'm gonna try the cool mint one, because I never tried it. They actually got different scents. I mean, different kind. Red, what they got? One. At first, they used to just have it in one. I'm gonna try the blue one, I guess. And I really don't. I'm gonna get some of these. I have a 25-cent coupon for these, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. Maybe 3. So I can use that coupon before it expires. I don't really have nothing different. Okay, so that's the end of my Dollar Tree Trick Off Tuesday haul. I hope y'all enjoyed all the great items that I showed you. I got a lot of free items from my grocery item haul. I got 37 items actually, to be exact, from my Dollar Tree grocery haul. And then my new items haul, I found a lot of good items in my new item grocery haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed the in-store coupon and footage. You all enjoyed me going in and kind of showing y'all things that I find on camera. And I see all my new subscribers. Hey, y'all. Hey. And I love my old subscribers. Y'all was here from the beginning. Thank you. Make sure you tell people about my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky no, Joe. It's Beauty Passion. And I'm out.